Here is the most important truth which people don't tell you. You can buy the most expensive and high quality hair system available in the market, but if you choose the wrong base, then it is completely waste. When men start this journey, they usually ask this question: what will make me look natural and feel comfortable without any regret? So that's why today in this video I am breaking down every type of bases available in a hair system, because it is just not a technical detail, it is a most important part of your transformation. And here in UAE, your lifestyle, your environment and your work will decide which will work for you. First of all, let's talk about full lace hair system. The biggest strength of a full lace hair system is its breathability. It is made from a fine mesh so that air can easily pass through it. So it means less sweat buildup, more comfort in hot weather and very lightweight feel. If you are very active, you go to gym and do swimming, then lace is very good option for you. But here is a catch: lace based system are very delicate, so you have to be more careful while handling and doing its maintenance. Now let's talk about PU or thin based hair system. This is all about the realism. It will look like your real scalp and your real hair coming out of from your head. It will also give strong hold with adhesive, cleaner hairline finish, easier cleaning and maintenance. So if your priority is to look very natural before going into any kind of meetings and close interaction, then this must be very good option for you. But compared to lace based, airflow is very low in this kind of hair systems. This is only a disadvantage of PU based hair systems. Now let's talk about third type of base, which is known as hybrid base. And here in this hybrid base, things get practical. It combines both the lace into the center of the hair system, and the sides and the border are made up of PU. So it will give you the natural look plus breathability. That's why most of the people prefer hybrid, because they have more life than this laced and PU based patches. So if you want comfort, durability and natural look, then this will be the best option for you. And now let's talk about UAE lifestyle, because here is the thing which you will be focused before choosing a hair system for you. Because here in UAE you will face high heat, indoor AC, humidity, sweat. So if you don't choose the right base properly for you, then it can feel uncomfortable midday. Sweat can build up and confidence starts dropping. Premium is not a thing that how you are looking. It is something that how you are feeling in your hair system. When you go to gym, when you go to meeting, when you going to your work, how you are feeling. This is the thing which you should focus before getting a hair system. So in the conclusion, you should see your lifestyle, like how your life is working and how much active person are you. You should find out what is the thing which will make you comfort for a long period of time, and then you should select a right base for you. So this was the video where I talked about the different type of hair base material available in hair system and which will be best for you. So now I can say that you can select a best hair system according to you and your lifestyle. And make sure to remember that hair system is totally depends upon you and your environment. So be careful before choosing a hair system and making a decision for you. So make sure to like this video and comment down if you want any kind of suggestion and any kind of help. And I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, take care.